Good afternoon, Hive. This is Miss Hardy coming to you from the What's the Buzz in the Hardy Rugio Hive for today, Sunday, October the 23rd. Just want to give you a heads up that Common Lit is due on Monday. This week's Common Lit is Sadie and Maud. And we have our vocabulary quiz number 9, which is on Friday. And that can be found on our Google Classroom site. Just a reminder that if you look at the calendar that I put on this week's What's the Buzz, I've included the last 3 days, the first 3 days of next week to give you a heads up that the quarter is ending on October the 31st. So please make sure that if your student needs to, anticipating if they're going to need any extra help on their mid-assessment, which we're going to do in class on Wednesday, we're going to spend 2 days in class working on our Unit 2 performance assessment. So they have 2 Wednesdays to make sure that they are bringing their best A game and all the honey they can going into the end of quarter 1. And just a reminder to parents and to my babies, all grades for quarter 1 will be finalized by midnight on October the 31st. I look forward to looking at the Odyssey with everybody on Monday and Tuesday. We're going to do some work with commas on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday for our daily bell ringer. We're going to do our mid-assessment on Wednesday, and then on Thursday and Friday, we're going to have it's going to be we're excited. Miss Rouge and I are excited about this. So we're going to have stations around the room where kids are going to hone in and find and refine any of the skills that we've learned from Unit 1 and Unit 2 going into quarter 2. And each student will have a check sheet they'll have to get signed. And one of those stations is they'll meet with Miss Rouge or myself and just talk about what their grades are looking like going into the Unit 2 performance assessment and going into the end of the quarter, and making sure that we have done some goal setting for quarter 2 and trying to figure out just trying to make sure that we are touching bases on a more personal level with our babies. So I look forward to that on Thursday and Friday. And of course, we do have school on the 31st. It was earlier, it was a teacher work day, but now because of hurricane and tropical storm days, we will be in school on the 31st. So we will be spending our Halloweens together. Yes, exciting. So I look forward to seeing everybody tomorrow in the Hive. I hope everybody enjoyed the fair if they went this weekend. If not, I hope you had a very restful weekend. Talk to you later. See you in the morning, babes. Bye.